Time for a quick EBIX Cash news alert coming in. Adisa, 5 Indian Navy personnel went missing after being caught in an avalanche. Now, the 5 Indian Navy personnel were part of a 20-member mountaineering expedition to Mount Trishul in Uttarakhand. The Indian Navy has now said that search and rescue operations were on. Meanwhile, ground rescue teams and helicopters from Army, Air Force and the State Disaster Response Force have been pressed into action. Meanwhile, the 20-member expedition was flagged off from Mumbai on September 3rd. 10 climbers had started their approach onto the final leg of the summit on Friday morning. Let me now go across to my colleague Shivani, who's also joining us over the phone line. Yes, Shivani, please share more of what you are picking up as far as the missing personnel is concerned.
Richard, this search and rescue operation is continuing by the Army, Indian Air Force and the SDRF for these Navy personnel who went missing after the avalanche in the Uttarakhand. And these 5 Indian Navy personnel, they were part of 20-member mountaineering expedition to the Mount Trishul in Uttarakhand that started on September 3rd from Mumbai. We know that the 5 Indian Navy personnel who were part of 20-member mountaineering expedition to Mount Trishul, they are missing after being caught in an avalanche. And the Indian Navy has said that the search and rescue operations are still on. The ground rescue teams and helicopters from Army, Air Force, State Disaster Response Force, they have also been pressed into action, and the search is still going on. And the 20-member expedition that started on 3rd of September from Mumbai, out of those, the 10 climbers, they are safe, and the search and rescue operations for the remaining are in progress in coordination with all these agencies, be it the Air Force, Army or the SDRF. But still, it's been quite long since this search and rescue operation is still going on. It's been more than 30 hours now, so it still continues.
All right, thank you so much, Shivani, for getting us that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. That was a quick EBIX Cash news alert coming in of 5 Indian Navy personnel that have now gone missing after being caught in an avalanche. Meanwhile, search and rescue operations are still underway.